Hello, welcome to my channel Becoming Bev. In today's video, I'm going to show you our teepee. I'm going to show it to you from basically start to finish, from the guys pouring the concrete to Misty and Mark painting it to erecting the teepee. We listed it on Airbnb a couple of days ago, and we have our first guest coming this weekend for their first stay. It's kind of funny, Misty and I stayed in the teepee. I've stayed in it 2 nights, and she stayed in it 2 nights, and we feel like that's important to get a feel for the space. Misty was in here last night by herself, and it's pouring down rain. We wanted to see how the teepee would do with the rain, like if there are going to be any leaks or anything. One of the things that we mentioned on our listing for the teepee was that a teepee is not a closed environment. There's a hole in the ceiling, and then there's also around the bottom of the floors. There's, a little bit of daylight here and there around the bottom. So Misty's down here by herself last night, and she sends me a couple of photos. She looks over, and there's a frog on the pillow. So I text her back and I said, "Did you give it a kiss?" She's like, "No, I threw it out. Maybe I missed an opportunity here." If you're interested in booking the Posh Pony teepee here at our campground we named FredRock, I'll put a link in the video description. I often say that the older I get, the more I appreciate my girlfriends. Those women in your life that really have your back, that are always there for you. But today I want to give a shout out to the men in my life. I was here today at the campground watching the guys work, and we had Jeremy here and Ronnie and Derek, and I was thinking how grateful I am for the men in my life and the contribution that they are to me. We couldn't have done this project without these 3 guys. We couldn't have done it without, Matt, who helped start us on the Rustic Rose, without Kenny, who's our electrician and our friend, who's been so amazing to us. I also want to say thank you to Mark, who lives here at the campground, who is just game to do anything that we ask him to. Mark is the one who's been painting all of the signs here. He's a professional sign painter, so if anyone needs a sign painted professionally, hit me up. He loves to travel and do this, so he's your guy. And also to Zeb and Eli, who've helped with the dirt work and the plumbing, and even Steve, who pops in and asks if we've remembered to lube the lawnmower. I didn't even know you were supposed to lube the lawnmower. And thank you to my little nephews, to Dalton and Clayton and Austin, who have all pitched in and helped out too with yard work and wood deliveries. I also want to give a shout out to Larry, who's been working relentlessly on my van, and to James, who originally helped me with the van build, and also Stoney, who helped me redo my cargo rack. So yeah, a heartfelt thank you for the men in my life, and not just the men who do all the work, but the ones also who entertain me. So yeah, in today's video, we're going to erect a teepee. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. You keep watching and I'll keep posting content.